So our next problem is clear the ith bit. Clear the ith bit. Okay, so let's say we have given this 7. Okay, and it will be 0 triple 1. Now I want to clear this third bit. Okay, third bit or second bit or first bit, whatever you want. So I want to clear this third bit. Okay, after clearing it, it will be 0 0 1 1, right? So this one will be become 0. Okay, so after clearing it, it will be nothing but 1 2, that is nothing but 3. Okay, so if I clear third bit from 7, my result will be 3. Correct? I want to clear this third bit. Okay, I want to clear this third bit. So I will use bitwise operators, whatever we have studied, and or left shift, right shift, not, okay, XOR. So I will use those only to reset it. Okay, to set it to 0. To set it to 0. Now let's take this example only. Let's say this is 7. Okay, it will be 0 triple 1. I want to clear this third bit. Okay, so I will use bitwise operators. I will start with, let's say I will start with OR operator. Okay, bitwise OR. So I will create a mask. Okay, and perform bitwise OR with this so that I can reset this bit. Okay, I can reset this bit. So rest bit will remain same. Okay, rest bit should be remain same. So in bitwise OR, if I take one, okay, if I take one, see, I want to perform bit operation in this bit only. Okay, I want to reset this only. So these bits should be same. Okay, these bits should remain same. So what I can do, I can put 0 here. I can put 0 here. Okay, if I put 0 here and do bitwise OR, these bits will remain same. Correct? Now here I want to reset it. I want to reset it. Okay, so I want to reset it to 0. If I take 0, what will happen? It will be 1 only. If I take 1, here, what will happen? It will be 1 only. So by taking 0 or 1, in any case, if I'm taking 0 or 1, it will be 1 only. Okay, so it is not resetting. It is not resetting. So I cannot take these as mask. Okay, and I cannot take these as mask. And in bitwise OR, if you take 1, okay, if you take any combination of ones, it will result in 1 in the answer. Okay, it will result in 1 in the answer. So that's we don't want. Okay, we want to keep these bits as it is. Okay, we want to keep these bits as it is. So by using bitwise OR, this is not correct approach. Okay, so let's try to use some other operator. So what if I take bitwise AND? What if I take bitwise AND? Okay, and in bitwise AND, I want to create mask. So this is bitwise AND. Okay, I want to create a mask such that these values remains same. Okay, but this value should be reset. So what if I take this as 1, this as 1, this as 1? Okay, what if I take these 3 bits as 1? So if I do AND with 1 of any bit, whether it is 0 or 1. Okay, so if this bit is 0, the result will be 0. If this bit is 1, so result will be 1. Okay, so AND operation with 1 will result in that bit only. Okay, 1 AND bit will be that bit only. Okay, so it will be 1, it will be 1, it will be 0. Okay, now if I take this one, this will be 1, but I want to reset it. So if I take this 0, it will be 0. Okay, so if I take this mask, if I take 1011 as mask, then I can reset my ith bit. Okay, so if I take this as mask, I can reset my ith bit. Okay, now how to create this mask? how to create this mask. See, we have created this mask, right? If I invert this, we have created this mask, right? So this mask can be created as 1 left shift I minus 1 times, right? Now, if I want to create this mask using this mask, what I can do, I can just invert this. I can just invert bits, right? Let me repeat. I know how to create this mask, right? I can create this mask using 1 left shift I minus 1 times. Okay. And I want to create this mask. I want to create 1011 mask. So what is this? What is this? It is nothing but inversion of this bits, inversion of these bits. Okay. So I can create this using this. I can create this using 1 left shift I minus 1 times. Okay, and if I invert this, I can get my mask. Okay, so I can reset my ith bit using my whatever number is there. If I perform bitwise AND with inversion of 1 left shift I minus 1 times. So if you have any doubt, let's try to solve 2 3 problems. Okay, try to solve 2 3 examples. So this is nothing but to clear ith bit, to clear ith bit. What if the bit is already reset? Okay, so what if it is already 0? So if it is already 0, then what will happen? It will result in 0 only. Okay, if it is already 0, then no need to change anything. So this will take care of it. But if it is 1, then also it will reset. If it is 0, then also it will be 0. Okay, so that will take care.